How to upgrade H&R Block Deluxe to Premium. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can upgrade H&R Block Deluxe to Premium. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Firstly, launch your preferred browser. Then in the search bar, search for hrblock.com. Then click on this website over here. Once you click on it, you will land to this kind of page. From here, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then tap on Sign in to my block. Provide your H&R account credentials. Here, type in your username, email or mobile number. Once you type in, tap on Continue. Now type in your password and click on Sign in. And with that, you will be logged in to your account. Now once you are logged in, access your current return. You will need to open the tax return you are working on and look for the upgrade option. Within your account dashboard or within the tax return processes, look for an option to upgrade your service. This is typically found in the menu or settings or sometimes as a prompt during the tax preparation process. Now go ahead and select the option of Premium. The system should guide you through the upgrade process, which usually involves confirming your choice and possibly an additional payment. After upgrading, you can continue working on your tax return. The premium version will offer additional features and support, especially used for complex tax situations like rental income, investment income, and so on. So this way you can easily upgrade H&R Block Deluxe to Premium. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.